Hello everyone, so today is Sunday, July 3rd. It's like maybe 4 o'clock and I'm getting ready to hang out with one of my good friends. You guys seen him in my last video. I think I was on FaceTime with him, but he lives in Pennsylvania. But we've been friends for like since we were young, like really young, maybe 10. But yeah, he came up here and we usually see each other like during church, but ever since COVID they haven't been doing like the conventions and stuff. But yeah, he's coming up, so I'm just getting ready. I already brushed my teeth and washed my face. I'm just trying to make sure like the rest of this makeup is off of my eye because it made my eyes look dark, and I have a pimple still, so I'm gonna have to put like a pimple patch on that, but whatever. I'm just doing my skincare. It's sunny, so I definitely have to put on sunscreen. I bought another one of these lotions because I'm almost out, but the one I bought has sunscreen in it, so that'll give me even more protection. Hopefully it doesn't make any oil. It doesn't make any oil. It said oil free, so we'll see. Because for some reason whenever it's hot my skin gets really oily, but then in the winter time it's really dry. I have a lot of like pimple flare-ups. It's not focusing. I might have to like, but I have a lot of pimple flare-ups because I'm supposed to be getting my monthly probably today or tomorrow, so yeah. But he didn't even tell me that he left because he's like right now where he's staying is an hour away because that's where his aunts live. And I look at his location and he left. I'm like, tell me when you leave, and he didn't. So hopefully like I'm ready by the time. I know he's supposed to go see his aunt who lives up here before he sees me. But yeah, I just had to get my skincare out the way. I need some like chapstick because my lip is really dry, and of course this isn't open. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I plan on wearing. I'm probably going to show you when it's all on. So yeah, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows and stuff. I'm closing my bag like it's not in here. Silly me. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Probably not gonna do too much. I don't know if I want to wear lashes or not. Ugh, my skin just looks horrible. Horrible. I know I've been away. Don't get my shit away. So I'm gonna put on my lashes and my clothes and I'll get back to y'all.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from
y'all, so I'm back home from hanging out with my friends. I'm just eating some pizza, but yeah, I'm just gonna eat. And yeah, we're probably gonna sing happy birthday soon, so.
Happy birthday to you. Wait, come on now.
Come on now. You can do better than that.
All the candles at once.
You could do better. You could do better than that.
You getting this?
It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side.
Hey y'all, so today is July 5th. Today is July 4th and it's the 4th of July. But as y'all know, it's just another day to barbecue. My battery is about to die, so let me show y'all my outfit real quick. This mirror needs to get clean. Sorry for the mess in the back, but this is the outfit. This shirt is from Route 21. Pants are from American Eagle. Shoes are from Shein. And the purse is from Shein. And then my jewelry is from Shein as well. So yeah, this is the fit. I'm loving it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright.
Hey y'all, I just realized I never said that where we were going. We're at my grandma's house right now, so we're already there. We're already here, and my face is like oily, but whatever. But yeah, we're at my grandma's house. They're just chilling right now, so when something happens, I'll let y'all know.
Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah.
Hey y'all, sorry for the nasty lighting. It's kind of bad, but I'm about to eat. I got ribs, mac salad, macaroni and cheese, cornbread, collard greens, corn on the cob, and potato salad. Ooh, this lighting is horrible, but that's no better. But yeah, there's like nowhere to sit inside, so I mean out here. Hopefully we go and see the fireworks, but you probably won't be able to see any fireworks because it's mad cloudy. Like, it's so cloudy. I think you could see when I showed the trees, but yeah, it's mad cloudy, so we'll see about that. But this is probably going to be another short vlog because it's only 2 days, and yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything else during the week, so this is probably going to be the last day of the vlog. But I'll see you guys next time I see y'all.
Sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like gold, why you play me out? Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you, whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can you just rub it out? I don't want no sagging with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, every reminiscing, every other missing. Violent to you, ambush me. Now I'm not just violent with you. Now I'm not just silent treatment, that mean no permission. Missionary getting boring.
Yeah. What are you recording? Her video for you. Oh, let me in this. Don't get me in. Hey guys. Ooh. Move. I'm in it. The grand finale was crazy.
Yeah, we just finished at the fireworks show. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but it was good. We was almost late. But we made it in time
It was
because
whack. It was lame. Trash.
this whole strip was like blocked off.
Never again.
Ryan, you're getting that attitude. But yeah, we made it. Come on, Ryan.
Let me see your camera to see my face because I look crazy.
You look fine.
Where's the check?
Look for it. But yeah, we're about to go home now.
I'll see y'all at home, y'all. We about to go home. I'll see y'all at home.
Hey y'all, so I'm in my bathroom. Excuse me. On my phone. Don't mind how I look. I'm about to go to bed. But my camera battery is so dead and I don't feel like putting a new one in just to film this outro. So yeah. I'm just gonna film it. I just look busted. I'm sorry y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, so today was a fun day. I think my favorite part was the fireworks because yeah, they ate, period. Even though it was like hard to find a place to park, but my mom just dropped us off and then we just like walked to where the fireworks were. But yeah, it was a fun day. I enjoyed myself. The food was good. It was bussin'. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in the next one.